Hello children. Today we are going to learn the letter L. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter L. L for lion. L for lemons. L for leaves. L for ladder. L for lamb. This is the letter L. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Ima is planning to climb up the ladder to pluck the lemons from the tree. The lion saw the little lamb. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students, lion is a wild animal and lived in jungle. T. Listen the letter L by watching video. E. Used blocks to make the shape of L. A. Collect some leaves and ask the students to dip them in paint and stamp it on the paper to create a pattern. M. Count objects beginning with the sound L around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. L-E-G, leg. L-I-P, lip. L-O-G, log. Well done, children. Goodbye.